Now, if you study Thomas Troward, I love one of Thomas Troward's quotes. And one of his quotes is, "Our mind is a center of divine operation." And divine operations means expansion. Expansion means into more. Okay, that's what it means. Like even what Thomas Troward taught this is your mind, abundance is inside you. Okay, abundance is your birthright. Okay, the spirit is inside you. The Holy Spirit is inside you. Heaven is within you. So abundance is inside you. Okay, what is abundance? Abundance is all around you. Okay, abundance is infinite. Okay, there's no scarcity about abundance. Nobody's going to beat you to your dream car. Nobody's going to beat you to your dream house. It's always going to be there for you. Abundance is infinite. Abundance is all around you. Okay, growth is ever going. Okay, that's why lots of times, okay, when you do self-improvement, okay, once you get one goal, you want to get better and achieve another goal. Okay, we always have that power of always moving forward, always getting better. And sometimes we use it. Now in these examples, I'm using it as, gifts. I want my dream car, my dream house. I want this big salary. I want my dream job. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be a multimillionaire. Okay, but you can also use it for other things. When you're becoming better and you always want to strive better, you can put it into relationships where I'm getting better and better and better inside my relationship or inside a relationship. If you're married or you have a significant other, you're getting better and better and better. If you're a parent, you want to be a better and better and better parent. You're improving. Okay, it's not always about the external. No, that comes with it. But the whole point of wealth, health, and prosperity is being wealthy and healthy and prosperous in all areas of your life. Not just one, but in all areas of your life. This is what we really want. Okay, this is what people want. We might want different things. Okay, what makes us happy might not make another person happy. Okay, my dream car might be different from your dream car. Okay, my dream house might be different from your dream house. Okay, what my career might be different from your career. Okay, but we all, on a broad aspect, we all want the same thing, meaning we all want a successful life to us, what it means to us. Okay, what it means to you.